looking to kind of get an office at a location that has a good access to the talent and has a good sort of business-friendly environment, right?
Yeah.
And I think Switzerland offers both of those things. You know, you have a great engineering kind of schools and background. A lot of drone companies are based in Switzerland, and very friendly business environment. I should probably highlight as well that we've had a great experience working with the Swiss companies in general for this last couple of years that we've decided to move in,
Yeah.
including Foca and Swiss Guide,
Yeah.
Sky Guide. I'm sorry. So yeah, it's been a great experience so far, and we're looking forward to continue that on that path.